Okay, welcome back. In this video, we'll be solving several problems in fluid mechanics. Okay, and to be specific, we are focused on the properties of fluids. Okay, so let's start. Okay, problem one: carbon tetrachloride having a mass of 500 kilograms and a volume of 315 liters is placed in a container. Compute the weight in kilonewton. What is the mass density in kilogram per cubic meter? Determine the specific weight in kilonewton per cubic meter. Okay, so very easy, no? So solution. So we have. So what is the weight? Weight is given by this formula: mg mass times the acceleration due to gravity. Weight is equal to given mass 500 multiplied by 9.81. There. So let's use our calculator. So we have 500 by 9.81 equals, we have 4.905 kilonewton. So very easy. So this is the answer. Then B, what is the mass density? Or density, rho is equal to mass over volume. Okay, what is the mass? Given 500 over volume is in liters. So we have 1,000 liters equals 1 meter cube. Okay, so this is 0.315 cubic meter. Okay. So we have 500 divided by 0.315 equals, so we have 1587, okay, kilogram per meter cube. And letter C, determine the specific weight in kilonewton per meter cube. Okay, specific weight is equal to rho times the G, no? So gamma equals rho G. So we have 1587 by 9.81 equals times 9.81 equals there 15.57 kilonewton per meter cube. So, yun. Madali lang. Okay, number 2. A certain liquid weighs 6.76 kilonewton per cubic meter. What is the density of the liquid? Determine the specific volume. Compute the specific gravity. Okay, so solution, we have to compute for the density given the specific weight. We have gamma, or the specific weight, over the G. Okay, so rho is equal to 6.76 K over G, 9.81. So we have here, okay, 6.76, okay, raised to 3 divided by 9.81. And the answer is 689. May decimal pa, no? 0.1 na lang. Okay, so unit kilogram per meter cube. Answer. Specific volume is equal to 1 over rho. Reciprocal lang, no? So, equal to 1 over 689. So, inverse lang natin to. There. So, the answer is 1.45 times 10 raised to 3 minus 3. Unit, baliktad din ang unit. So, meter cube per kilogram. Okay, answer. Letter C, the specific gravity. Specific gravity is equal to the unit weight of the liquid over the unit weight of H2O. Okay? So we have unit weight is 6.76 over 9.81 kilonewton per meter cube ito, ha. Yes, that is the unit weight of water. So 6.76 divided by 9.81 equals, so 0.689. So this is the specific gravity. Okay, itong fluid mechanics, karaniwan na, lalo na itong properties of fluids, formula based. Tingnan mo lang yung formula. Okay, number 3, a certain gas weigh 15.25 Newton per meter cube relative to air at 15 degrees C. Gamma of air is equal to 12.0. So this is Newton per meter cube. Okay. What is the weight of, or what is the density of the gas? Compute the specific volume and determine the specific gravity. Okay, solution for A, density of gas given yung unit weight. Okay, so we have gamma over G. Okay, so rho is equal to 15.25 over 9.81 equals, uh, so 15.25 divided by 9.81 equals, there, 1.55 unit kilogram per meter cube. For letter B, compute the specific volume. Again, specific volume is the reciprocal of density, no? So we have 1 over 1.55. Inverse equals, there, so 0.64 meter cube per kilogram. Correct? Yes, correct. Okay, letter C naman. Specific gravity equals, again, given na yung uh, unit weight, no? And unit weight of air. So, yun na lang gamitin natin. That's 15.25 over 12. Hindi water, no? Kasi ano to, gas. Sige. So, we have here 15.25 divided by 12. So, the unit weight is 1.27. I mean, the specific gravity. Okay. So, this is the answer. Okay. So, number 4. A certain type of oil has a volume of 6.3 meter cube and weighs 50.1 kilonewton. Determine its density. Compute the specific weight. Solve for the specific gravity. Okay, solution. So density is equal to, given yung weight and volume. Okay? So density is computed as mass over volume. And mass is equal to weight over G over the volume. Yan na yun, no? The raw. Raw equals, weight is 50.1 kilonewton over 9.81 meter per second square over the volume of 6.3. So raw is equal to, so we have 50.1, okay, divided by 9.81, then divided again by 6.3. So the answer is 810.64. There, unit kilogram per meter cube. Yes, this is the answer. Specific weight, letter B. Specific weight is equal to raw times G equals 810.64 by 9.81 equals, okay, equals, there, 7.952. 7.952 kilonewton per meter cube. Okay, letter C. The specific gravity. The specific gravity is the unit weight of the oil over the unit weight of water. We have 7.952 over 9.81. Okay, so we have 9, 8, 10. Okay, that's 0.81. So this is the answer. Yes. Number 5. A certain type of alcohol has a density of 785 kilogram per meter cube. Determine the specific volume, calculate the specific weight, and solve for the specific gravity. Okay? So, given yung density of alcohol. Okay, specific volume is 1 over rho. Okay. And rho is given, ayun, density. So, we have 1 over 785. So, ibig sabihin, the specific volume is 1 over 785 equals, then 1.27 times 10 raised to minus 3 unit meter cube per kilogram. Okay, letter B. Calculate the specific weight. Specific weight is equal to raw times G equals, even yung density, we have 785 by 9.81 equals times 9.81. 7.7 kilonewton per meter cube. Okay, C, specific gravity S is equal to unit weight of the alcohol, which is 7.7, over the water, 9.81, equals, divided by 9,810, equals, divide, I'm sorry, 0.785. Okay, yes. So, yun yung mga sagot. Dali lang, no? Formula-based lang talaga. Okay, number 6. Let's try this, no? The pressure of 101.3 kilopascal and the temperature of 15 degrees C, a cubic meter of air weighs 12.0 Newton. Calculate the specific volume. Okay. So, dali lang din to, no? Given naman yung unit weight of air, which is 12.0 Newton per meter cube. Okay, the specific volume, ang kailangan lang natin is the density, no? So, to compute for the density, density is equal to gamma over G. 12 over 9.81. So, this is equal to there. So, we have 1.22 kilogram per meter cube. So, to solve for the specific volume, this is equal to 1 over rho. Yes, so 1 over 1.22 equals. Inverse lang. There. The answer is 0.817 unit meter cube per kg. Yes, perfect. Very good. Number 7. At a depth of 8.0 kilometer in the ocean, the pressure is 82.26 megapascal. At the surface, the specific weight of water is 10.10 kilonewton per meter cube, while the average bulk modulus is 2,344. Kulang to. Lagyan natin to ng megapascal. Within the 8.0 kilometer depth, A. Compute the change in specific volume with 8.0 depth. B. Calculate the specific weight at the depth of 8.0. And determine the specific volume at the depth of 8.0 kilometers. Okay. Solution. So, yung ating bulk modulus, E sub B is equal to minus B sub 1, absolute volume, no? Multiplied by the change in pressure, P sub 2 minus P sub 1 over the change in volume. There. So, change in specific volume is V sub 2 minus V sub 1 din. Okay. So, ano mga given? Given yung E sub B, the bulk modulus. And what else? Given din yung pressure. Change in pressure is 82.26. Ito yung sa 8.0 depth, no? Okay. So, ang kailangan pa natin is the atmospheric pressure of 101.32. Yes, yun yung atmospheric. Okay, so masasolve na natin yung change in the specific volume. Okay. So, gawin natin to in kilopascal. This is equivalent to 2344,000. Okay, 2344. Then 1, 2, 3. Tatlong 0. This is in kilopascal na, no? KPA. Okay, equals to minus B sub 1. And B sub 1 is hindi pa natin alam. Yes. Compute na rin natin, no? So, paano natin kukunin? Kunin natin yung surface. Ayan, at the surface, the specific weight is 10.10. Okay. So, paano yan? Ang kailangan natin is the rho. Kuburin ko na muna to. Rho 1. Okay. So, the rho, say rho sub 1 is equal to, itong gamitin natin, no? Yung surface. So, we have gamma over G or 10.10 kilo over 9.81. So, we have 10.10 divide 9.81 equals so 1,029.56 kilogram per meter cube. So, to get the B sub 1, inverse lang niya, no? There. So, 9.71 or gawin natin walang notation, ano? So, 0.00, tatlong 0.97. 1, 2, 3, then 97. Unit meter cube per kg. So, meron na tayong B sub 1. So, masasolve na natin yung change in B. Paano? Dito na lang. So, again, gawin natin gawin natin siyang kilopascal. Sige, dito na lang sa ilalim. Okay, so 2,344 thousand or 2 million yan, ano? Then, KPA. KPA. Lahat gawin natin siyang KPA. Equals minus 0.00097 times change in pressure. Ang pressure na given sa bottom is 82.26 or doon sa depth of 8.0 kilometer in the ocean is 82.26 megapascal. Gawin din natin siyang kilopascal. So, 82, okay, 82.26. Gawin natin siyang times 10 to the 3. Tapos kilopascal. Okay? Okay. Then, we subtract 101.32. Okay? Atmospheric. Kilopascal din. Over the change in volume. Change in specific volume. So, the change in specific volume is equal to, okay, compute na natin by, ito, calculate natin. So, we have, okay, 2344. 1, 2, 3. There. So, equals minus 0.00097 multiplied by, okay, times 82.26 raised to 3 minus 101.32, okay, over change in V or X. Okay, then shift, solve. Solve for X equals, okay na yung sagot, no? So, we have minus point, minus 3.34 times 10 to 5. 10 times 10 raised to negative 5. So, we have, ilan yan? There. So, minus 4 zeros, 34. Okay, minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 34. Yes. There. So, meron tayong change in specific volume. Now, anong gagawin natin next? Nakuha na natin yung letter A. There. So, specific weight naman at the depth of 8.0. Ang kailangan naman natin is yung B sub 2 or yung specific volume sub 2, no? Yung sa bottom or sa 8.0. So, paano naman siya makukuha? From change of, ito na lang, from a change of specific volume, so meron tayong B sub 2 minus B sub 1. There. So, meron na tayo ditong value which is minus 0.000034 and yung V sub 2, hindi natin alam. V sub 1 is, yan, 0.00097. So, V sub 2 is equal to, okay, so, lipat sa kabila, plus lang, no? 0.00997. So, equals, yan, one more. So, 0.000936. 936. Ang unit nito is meter cube per kg. Ito din. Okay, so, kung meron ka na ng V sub 2, makukuha mo na ngayon yung rho sub 2. And rho sub 2 is inverse lang nito, no? So, 1 over V sub 2. So, equals inverse. So, 1068.4 unit kilogram per meter cube. Then, masasolve mo na ngayon yung specific weight. Specific weight is equal to, there. So, multiply by, let's multiply this by 9.81. And that is equal to 10.48 kilonewton per meter cube. So, ito na yung answer mo. Sa letter P. Yes. So, letter C naman. Ito yung sa B. Determine the specific volume at the depth of, ayun na yun. Ito na yung answer mo sa C. Specific volume at the depth. Okay? So, yan na pala yung answer natin. Na-solve natin ang hindi pa natin namamalayan. Okay. So, yan yung mga answer. Yes! Ano lang to, kunting algebra lang. Okay, konti lang. Memorization pa rin ng formula. Okay, last number. Carbon dioxide at a temperature of 30 degrees C and a pressure of 580 kPa absolute, with a gas constant value of 188 Newton meter per kilogram per Kelvin. So, dapat, yung temperature natin dito, which is given in degree C, kailangan i-convert natin to in Kelvin. Add tayo ng 273, no? Yes. Then, yung absolute pressure. By the way, what is the formula for gamma? Rho G, no? Or pressure times G over RT. There? Yes. So, ano, kailangan natin makuha yung temperature dito kasi is in Kelvin. Okay? So, paano ngayon to i-solve? So, specific weight, gamma is equal to 5, 580 kPa, no? 580. So, gawin natin siyang pascals. 580 raised to 3 pascals times 9.81. There. And R is, yan, given na rin, 188 Newton meter. So, multiplied by temperature, dapat ito ay Kelvin. So, we have 2030 plus 273. Or this is 303 Kelvin, ano? Degree Kelvin. So, 303. So, this is equal to, okay, times 9.81 over 188 by 303 equals 99.88.88. So, yun na yung answer natin. Okay? Next, mass density. So, pag meron ka ng unit weight, madali na tong mass density. And mass density is gamma over G. Okay, 99.88 over 9.81. Answer is 10.18 kilogram per meter cube. And the specific volume is the inverse nito, no? Reciprocal lang. So, we have here 1 over rho. 1 over 10.18 equals, okay, inverse equals, okay, 0.098 meter cube per kg. Okay, so gano'n, no? Itong properties of fluids, madalas, ano lang talaga, formula-based. Formula-based. Okay, so pikot-ikutin mo lang yung mga formula. Okay, I'll see you in next video. So, ibang topics naman, no? Mga statics, fluid statics. Okay, see you there. Okay, bye-bye.